Are you super worried that you're gonna have to miss out on all of the delicious Easter treats and desserts because you're gluten-free? I have you covered today, my friends, where we're gonna be talking about 4 different Easter treat recipes that are not only easy, but they're so good that your friends and family won't even know they're gluten-free.
Alicia's Ample Kitchen, helping you get confident in your gluten-free kitchen with tips, tricks, recipes, and more.
All right, first up, let's talk about my chocolate no-bake cookie bird nests. These are super easy and simple. I just take my grandma's old recipe and push down the middle so it looks like a nest. Then you can throw on either Easter egg jelly beans or the M&Ms, whatever kind of candy you want, and they look like really cute birds' nests. Super easy to make. Next up, we're staying on the bird nest theme, but doing it with Rice Krispie treats this time. I loved using our mini muffin pan to make the nests. And then for the coconut, I added some green food coloring to the coconut, let it dry, and it made for super cute looking grass. Add those same jelly beans or M&Ms to the top, and you have an adorable little treat. Next up, we have this beautiful show-stopping angel food cake dessert that I covered with a lemon curd and a strawberry whipped cream. It was amazing. I loved how this recipe incorporated all of the eggs. You use so many egg whites to make an angel food cake, so I used the egg yolks to make the lemon curd. I didn't have any lemons, so I actually used the new Gourmet Limoncello syrup from Pampered Chef, and it worked perfectly fine. I love it. And then for the whipped cream, I used our new whipped cream maker, crushed up real strawberries, made the whipped cream. It turned out delicious. Last but definitely not least, we have these absolutely adorable chick cupcakes. I seen this on the internet and knew I had to make a gluten-free substitution for it. I used gluten-free cake mix from King Arthur. I used our cupcake pan and balled up some aluminum foil. Now, you have to have a little faith with this recipe, okay guys? They're gonna come out of the oven and you're gonna be like, these things do not look like chicks at all, but I promise after the frosting, they come together and they're so cute. While the cupcakes were baking, I made my colored sugar. I just used our little mini whisk and colored the sugar yellow and let that sit. And then I made a quick buttercream frosting in my stand mixer. Once the cupcakes were cool, I put on the frosting, just a small layer, and I dipped them in the sugar. And then the eyes are mini chocolate chips, and then the feet and the cute little beak are actually Reese's Pieces, but you could use any orange candy that is in the shape of that. And there you have it, 4 super easy gluten-free Easter treats that will be sure to impress all of your friends. If you're interested in getting my whole entire Easter recipe pack that has over 20 recipes all for Easter, comment recipe pack down in the comments and I'll make sure to send you a link to that special guide that I have made for you. If you liked what you saw today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more gluten-free recipes, kitchen tips, and tricks. Until next time.